Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Flow Podcast.
Yes, hello. We are so happy you are here today.
Let me introduce myself first. My name is Sarah.
And everyone, my name is William.
Together, we are your friendly English teachers on this podcast.
And today, we are talking about a very exciting topic.
Yes, today we are talking about English at the airport.
Have you ever felt nervous at the airport because of the English?
Don't worry, because today we will practice slowly together.
And here is the fun part. You are not just listening today.
That's right, you are going to speak with us too.
So after every sentence we say, we want you to repeat after us.
Yes, say it out loud, even if you are alone right now.
Your mouth needs the practice just as much as your brain.
So no shy voices today. Let's be loud and confident.
We will go step by step through a real airport journey.
From check-in to security to the gate and even boarding.
So grab your imaginary passport and let's get started together.
Are you ready? Let's say it together. I am ready.
Come on, say it with us. I am ready.
Okay, everyone, now we're talking about arriving at the airport and checking in.
This is usually the very first conversation you have at the airport.
So listen closely and remember, repeat after us every single line.
Let's begin our little airport story right now.
Good morning. Welcome to the airport. How can I help you?
Good morning. I would like to check in for my flight.
Great. Now you try it. Say, good morning. I would like to check in.
Come on, say it nice and slowly with us.
Sure. May I see your passport and your ticket, please?
Yes, of course. Here is my passport and my booking.
Thank you. Where are you flying to today?
I am flying to London for a business trip.
Wonderful. How many bags do you have to check in?
I have 2 bags and 1 small carry-on.
Now repeat with me. I have 2 bags.
Great job. Say it one more time a little faster.
Perfect. Please put your bag on the scale.
Okay, here it is. Is it too heavy?
No, it's fine. It's under the weight limit.
That's a relief. I was a little worried.
Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please. I love watching the clouds.
Great choice. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. Which gate should I go to?
Your gate is number 12. It opens in 2 hours.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
Wonderful job, everyone. You just finished check-in.
Give yourself a big clap. Let's move to security next.
All right, now we're talking about the security check at the airport.
This part can feel a little stressful, so let's practice it nice and calm.
Remember, repeat every line out loud with your own voice.
Let's go through security together right now.
Excuse me, sir. Please place your bag on the belt.
Sure, one moment please. Let me take it off.
Now you try. Say, please place your bag on the belt.
Good. Now say, one moment please.
Please remove your laptop and put it in a separate tray.
Okay, here is my laptop and here is my phone.
Do you have any liquids in your bag?
Yes, I have a small bottle of water.
I'm sorry, you cannot bring liquids over 100 milliliters.
Oh, I did not know that. I will throw it away.
Thank you for understanding. Please walk through the scanner.
Should I take off my shoes and my belt?
Yes, please, and also your jacket, too.
Now let's repeat together, should I take off my shoes?
Great pronunciation, everyone. Keep going. You're doing wonderful.
Okay, I'm ready. Let me walk through.
Perfect. No problems. You may collect your things.
Thank you. That was faster than I expected.
Yes, the line was very short today.
Amazing work, everyone. You just survived security.
Let's celebrate and move on to immigration next.
Now, we are talking about immigration and customs at the airport.
This is where an officer asks you a few simple questions.
Don't worry, it's easy once you know the pattern.
Let's practice it together right now. Repeat after us.
Good afternoon. May I see your passport, please?
Of course. Here you go, officer.
Try saying that with me. Here you go, officer.
Nice. Your voice sounds very confident already.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I am traveling for tourism and to see my family.
How long will you be staying?
I will be staying for 2 weeks.
Where will you be staying during your trip?
I will be staying at a hotel in the city center.
Do you have a return ticket booked already?
Yes, I do. Here is my return ticket.
Thank you. Everything looks in order.
Let's repeat together. Everything looks in order.
Do you have anything to declare at customs?
No, I have nothing to declare today.
Are you carrying any food or plants with you?
No, none at all. Just my clothes and gifts.
Perfect. You may go ahead.
Thank you so much, officer.
Wonderful, everyone. You just passed immigration smoothly.
Let's keep going. Next stop, the gate and shopping.
Now we are talking about finding your gate and a little shopping, too.
Everyone loves this part because it's relaxing and fun.
Let's practice some useful shopping phrases together.
Remember, say it loud and clear with us.
Excuse me, could you tell me where gate 12 is?
Sure, just go straight and turn left at the sign.
Now you try. Excuse me, could you tell me where gate 12 is?
Wonderful. Your English is getting more natural.
Perfect. I have some time before boarding.
Would you like to grab a coffee first?
That sounds great. Let's find a coffee shop.
There is one right next to bookstore.
Perfect. I also want to buy a souvenir.
The gift shop has some lovely local items.
This scarf looks really beautiful, don't you think?
Yes, it's gorgeous. How much does it cost?
It says $20 on the tag.
Let's repeat together. How much does it cost?
Great choice. Shall we head to the gate now?
Yes, let's not be late for boarding.
I can see gate 12 right over there.
Perfect. We made it just in time.
Great job, everyone. You just handled shopping and directions.
Let's find some seats and listen for the announcements.
Now we are talking about airport announcements and how to handle delays calmly.
This is very useful because announcements can be fast and tricky.
So listen closely and let's slow it down together.
Repeat after us, just like always.
Excuse me, did you hear that announcement just now?
Yes, I think they mentioned our flight number.
Try saying that with me. They mentioned our flight number.
Attention passengers, flight 225 is delayed.
Oh no, how long is the delay?
It says 30 minutes. That's not too bad.
That's true. We can just relax a little more.
Would you like to sit near the window here?
Yes, please. I love watching the planes take off.
Me too. It's actually quite relaxing to watch.
Look, there's another announcement coming now.
They said boarding will begin soon at gate 12.
Perfect timing. Let's get our boarding passes ready.
I already have mine in my pocket.
Smart thinking. I need to find mine, too.
Let's repeat together. I need to find mine too.
Found it. It was in my bag.
Great. Now we are both ready to board.
Wonderful, everyone. You just handled that delay so calmly.
Let's move on to the most exciting part, boarding the plane.
Now we are talking about the final step, boarding the plane itself.
This is the moment we have all been waiting for.
Stay with us and keep repeating every single line.
Let's board this plane together right now.
Attention passengers, boarding for flight 225 now begins.
That's us. Let's line up at the gate.
Excuse me, where should I show my boarding pass?
Just scan it at the machine right there.
Now repeat with me. Where should I show my boarding pass?
Wonderful. Let's walk down the jet bridge together.
Good afternoon. Welcome aboard. May I see your seat number?
Yes, I am in seat 14A.
That's just ahead on your left side.
Thank you. I found it right away.
Would you like some help with your bag?
Yes, please. It's a little heavy today.
No problem. I will put it in the overhead bin.
Thank you so much. That's very kind of you.
Let's repeat together. That's very kind of you.
Great job. Your pronunciation is really improving now.
Please fasten your seatbelt. We are ready for takeoff.
I'm so excited. This is going to be great.
Just relax and enjoy the whole journey ahead.
I will. Thank you for everything today.
Congratulations, everyone! You just completed the whole airport journey.
I feel so much more confident now speaking English.
Okay, everyone, now we are talking about a fun little quiz to test what you learned.
Don't worry, this is just for fun. There are no wrong answers here.
I will ask a question and you try to answer out loud. Question number 1. What do you say when you arrive at the check-in counter?
Think about it quickly and say your answer now.
Time's up. The answer is, "Good morning. I would like to check in."
Great job if you got that one right.
Question number 2. What should you remove before walking through security?
Think carefully. You learned this one in part 2.
Time's up. The answer is your shoes, your belt, and your jacket.
Wonderful. You're doing so well so far.
Question number 3. What does the immigration officer usually ask you first?
Take a moment and say your answer out loud now.
Time's up. The answer is, "May I see your passport, please?"
Excellent. You really remembered that one well.
Question number 4. What can you do while you wait for a delayed flight?
There are many good answers here. Say what comes to mind.
Time's up. A great answer is, you can relax and watch the planes take off.
Perfect. Any answer close to that counts as correct.
Question number 5. What do you say to the flight attendant when boarding?
Last question, everyone. Give it your best shot now.
Time's up. The answer is, "Good afternoon. Here is my boarding pass."
Amazing. You just finished the entire quiz.
How many did you get right? Tell us in the comments.
Whether it was 1 or 5, you should still be very proud.
Every question you tried is real speaking practice for your brain.
And that is exactly how confidence is built over time.
Great job, everyone. Let's wrap up our episode now.
Yes, let's finish with a quick recap together.
And that's how you can speak English confidently at the airport.
Practice these phrases every day and you will improve fast.
Remember, you did all of the repeating with us today.
And that is exactly how real fluency is built, little by little.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe to us.
This has been English Flow Podcast with Sarah and William.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we will see you next time.
Bye, everyone. See you very soon.